Serverless is supposed to save money. No servers, no maintenance, pay only for what you use. So we switched. A few weeks later, our cloud bill went up. And that's when we realized serverless isn't always cheaper. We had a typical backend system, APIs, background jobs, and some scheduled tasks. We were managing servers, scaling them, monitoring them. It felt like unnecessary overhead. So we thought, why not go serverless? Because serverless promised auto scaling, no infra management, pay per use. It sounded like the perfect upgrade. And honestly, at first it was amazing. No server maintenance, instant deployments, scaling handled automatically. Everything just worked. And the cost, it actually went down. Then traffic started growing. More users, more requests, and slowly something changed. We weren't paying attention at first, but our bill kept increasing. Not suddenly, but steadily. Until one day, it was higher than our server cost. This is where most people misunderstand serverless. With servers, you pay a fixed cost. Even if usage increases, cost stays predictable. With serverless, you pay per execution. Every API call, every background job, every retry costs money. So when traffic grows, cost doesn't grow linearly, it multiplies. And you know what? The real problem areas that is too many function calls. One user action triggered multiple functions, more executions, more cost, retries. Failures cost retries. Same work executed again, double the cost. A request may go through multiple functions. Each hop equals to more cost. We weren't paying for infrastructure anymore. We were paying for every small action in the system. And at scale, that becomes too expensive. Serverless is actually amazing when you used correctly. If you are using for low traffic apps, unpredictable spikes, event driven systems, MVPs, or early stage products, it is the best suitable solution for you because you only pay when something happens. You must avoid serverless when traffic is high and constant. Workloads are predictable. Long running processes exist because at that point, fixed servers are cheaper. Serverless is not cheaper. Servers are also not cheaper. The wrong choice is expensive. If you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.